got on the plane, still boarding, and about to fly for Lisbon. Alright guys, we're on the plane, we're all boarded up, we're about to leave for Spain. First stop Lisbon, Portugal, and then we got, what, one more flight?
No, we go to Lisbon, and then from Lisbon to Barcelona, and then we're there.
Check out the big plane. So we got to Lisbon. Well, we got a text message saying our flight had been changed. We were supposed to have a flight pretty much as soon as we landed at like, what, 6 o'clock, and now we get to leave at 4. That was 6 o'clock a.m. Now we get to leave at 4 p.m. So we get to try and find something to do in Lisbon for the day.
Since we had 6 hours to kill, we decided to come check out a castle. It's the Castillo de St. George Castle, and the view's absolutely beautiful.
The reviews online said that it'll take you all morning to get through it, so that's why we decided to come here. Since we had 6 hours to kill, we could stay in one spot and then head back to the airport, because it's not that far from there. So that's our goal for today, is to explore this castle.
Big. There's a bunch of people here now.
Yeah. We came at a really good time. There's no one here when we got here, but now it's getting pretty packed.
So, back to the airport, claim our free meals that they gave us for canceling our flight.
Because that makes up for it.
Well, we're in Barcelona. It's hot here. We're in the subway, metro. We're trying to make it to our Airbnb.
He's kind of mad at us because we were supposed to show up at like 3, and I had asked him if we could show up at 9:30 because that's what time our plane landed. And he's like, yeah, come on by, it's fine. And we're showing up at 9 o'clock at night, not 9 in the morning. So let's go.
So, well, sounds like the next train's coming. We'll show you what it looks like to ride the subway down here. Ah.
Gracias.
Mira. Mucho gusto.
Gracias.
Adios. The guy we're renting the apartment from, that was his dad. He's so cute and so nice.
Yeah, he just wanted to help us with everything and make sure that we had a good time. And he wanted us to remember him because he couldn't go to the San Fermin Festival. And so apparently he doesn't think that we can eat the cuisine here, so he showed us the Domino's pizza place. So that was pretty funny.
How scantily clad this woman on this child's ride is. I bought train tickets for June instead of July. So now we can't go to Pamplona until 11. And I woke you up at 6:45. So that's awesome. I'm just mad that I bought tickets on the wrong day. Month. They were a month late. I don't know how I didn't catch that. I like felt like I double checked everything, but
Oh well.
oh well.